Ever wondered how ant colonies are so well organized? Let me take you underground into the fascinating world of these tiny creatures. Ant colonies are like bustling cities, with different roles for each member. The queen reigns supreme, laying eggs to grow the colony. Worker ants scurry about, gathering food and caring for the young. Soldier ants protect the nest from intruders. And let's not forget the incredible underground structures they create. Tunnels lead to chambers for nurseries, food storage, and even waste disposal. It's a complex network that ensures the colony's survival. So next time you see ants marching in a line, remember, there's a whole world beneath your feet, meticulously organized and thriving.